Aunt Augustine said she needs someone big and strong to carry all the ingredients for her cake.
Cake?
Here's a list of what I'll need, Morphle. Oh, it's you, Orphle. Daddy must have sent you instead. It will be heavy, so...
Strong!
Hello, Aunt Augustine. We've come to get your list for the cake.
I already gave it to Orphle.
Uh-oh. Orphle has Aunt Augustine's list. Let's find out what he's up to, Morphle.
Eat eggs! Eat milk! Milk! Got the flour!
Hola, Mila and Morphle. Boy, am I glad to see you.
Hi, Felipe. What's wrong?
While I was feeding the pigs, someone messed up the farm.
Great detective work, Morphle. I think Orphle messed up the farm and stole Aunt Augustine's cake ingredients. We'll help you. Morphle, morph into a crane to put this right. Morphle, morph into a sheepdog. Morphle, morph into a road sweeper to clear away the flour.
Good job. Thanks, Mila and Morphle. You're the best. Anything else you need?
Flour, but we swept it all away.
Not all. I have 2 bags at the barn, but they are very heavy.
Morphle, morph into a robot.
2 Morphles? Well, which one has my ingredients? I can't keep the mayor waiting any longer for the cake. I need to start baking it now. My ingredients! They're ruined!
It's not Orphle's fault, Aunt Augustine. He was just trying to help.
That may be true, but what shall I do about the mayor's cake? Oh, Mila dear, that's enough for 2 cakes.
Cake!